Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about something really exciting that I've been waiting to share with you guys. Kammi Hair was nice enough to send me their extensions. So Kammi Hair is a pretty new brand that sells hair extensions especially made and designed with Asian women in mind. I have always been trying to look for hair extensions that are good quality, affordable, look nice. You know how you always want to cut your hair short or try bangs or perm your hair, but you never know how it looks on you? Hair extensions come in great for me because I can see what I look like with long hair, with short hair, different hair colors even, and bangs before I make the big cut. Also, I'm kind of lazy with my hair. I don't do much with it, and hair extensions just help me kind of throw something on really quick without really needing to take the time and curl it and do all of that. So today I'm just going to show you the hair extensions that they sent me and also give you a mini review on each of them. So first thing is they come in this really nice pink box with a magnetic closure. I think they just really do take care of packaging it. The hair extension smells so good. My whole bathroom smells like this kind of florally feminine scent. So that's one thing that I really appreciated, was the effort that they put into the packaging. So once you open it up, you have a little sampler bag. Because of sanitary reasons, you can't exchange or return the hair extensions once you've opened the plastic bag. This little piece of tester sample helps you determine if you actually got the right hair color before you open up the rest of the box, which I thought was really thoughtful of them. And once you open it, every single product has its own faux silk bag, which I really appreciated. I do have some other ponytail extensions. Not every place prepares you with a bag to keep your ponies in, so sometimes it's really annoying to have just like hair hanging around and just not knowing where to put them to keep them nice and clean and untangled. So yeah, let's jump right into each of the products that they sent me. The first thing they sent me is their Wispy Bangs in Japanese fiber. Everything they sent me is in Japanese fiber, so no real hair here. And this is honestly just so easy to put on. Literally just like put it on top and then push down, and I got bangs. So you can obviously trim the bangs to the length that you want them to be, so they're not like in your eye and also fits your forehead. They blend pretty well on top, I think. I don't have a lot of hair on top to cover it up, but I think it's like a really nice addition if you're wearing a beanie or wearing a hairband and you feel like but you don't have bangs, and it just spices up the outfit a little bit. Just having these, it would just be great to try out like a drastically different look. I think they're made well, and even though they're not the exact style of bangs that I would cut myself, they're just still really nice to have just for fun. So the next one I want to talk about is their messy bun. As a former ballerina, every time I wear my hair in a bun, it's like very prim and proper, and sometimes I like it to be a little more messy and effortless. This is a great addition to kind of my collection. I can just throw on a bun and then put this over it for an effortless bun. It comes in this kind of hairnet style with two claws, and you just cinch this up and it just hugs around your hair. The only thing I have with it is that it's a lot more like flat than I want it to be, so I kind of tie my hair up in a more pointy and tall bun so that it actually holds the middle part up a little better, so it's a little more round compared to it is flat. It can get a little messy, especially on the sides, so I like to pin the sides down a little more. Maybe the ballerina in me still likes it a little more tidy. Next, I have these U-clips. So I was very reluctant with the U-clip at first because I've never came across a good U-clip, just because it's like a huge wreath of hair, and it just feels very stuffy, and I thought it wouldn't look that natural because it's like one huge wreath of hair that goes together without the natural like hair movement and all that. But these surprisingly look pretty good. I do put these pretty high up on the crown of my hair, like around here, and it makes it look a lot more natural, and it also helps it be less heavy. I have these in the curly version. Yeah, they blend in pretty well. This is my perfect color. I'm a jet black. Kammi hair's Japanese fibers are more natural, especially for Asian hair, for me, than some other brands that I've used. Other Japanese synthetic hairs, I felt like they had like this little elasticy stretch to them, which feels a little more artificial, and they're a little more like shiny in a plasticky way. That just screams that you have hair extensions on. These, while they're shiny, they're a little more matte and mimic my natural hair a lot more. I do enjoy the quality of their Japanese synthetic hair, and I think they are really well made. I brush them up before I wear them, and I brush them up after I wear them so that they will last longer and keep better. It takes like less than 30 seconds to put this on, and I believe these are 21 inches or 60 centimeters, so they are pretty long and they go like down to my waist. So next thing I want to talk about is actually the hair extensions that I'm wearing right now. Not sure if you noticed, but I am wearing some piece by piece Japanese fiber hair extensions. I don't even have my natural hair curled, and it blends pretty well. Obviously, I do still have some of my colored hair down in the back, so it can be obvious if I don't cover it up, but that's just on me. All their clip-ins clip in so easily, which I'm very surprised. Like, I don't even feel a thing when I clip it on. My hair is pretty slippery, but these stay really well. When I take them out, they actually just slide right out without tugging my hair, which I really appreciated. And so yeah, I love these. These will definitely be featured in my future videos and or my future photos. The final item I want to show you guys is their newest product, which are the highlights. I got them in a straight form because then I can also wear them with my straight hair without having to curl, and they come in 8 pieces. The only thing is that you can't wear them as highlights in front because the clip doesn't really blend in well. You have to have hair over it for it to blend well. You know, I've had bleached blonde hair previously. If I had these, I would just have worn these without having to bleach my hair. So yeah, I love these. I can see myself like even braiding my hair with these. They come in 8s, but you can always just like wear 4, wear 2, and also cut them to your length so that they're not sticking out. I think these would be perfect if I'm doing like dance videos and stuff and I need something that is a little different with my black hair. These are also really silky smooth, super easy to clip in, and just look at that. They're just like real hair. So overall, I really enjoy Kammi Hair's product. They are more suitable for Asian hair, and also their quality is a lot better than the ones that I see in the market for Asian hair. Also, their staff is really nice and really helpful. If you message them, they do offer kind of style advice and also color matching advice. They're just really nice and really helpful in that aspect. So just some general information about the Japanese hair extensions that I have with me. My color is jet black. The color matches really well with my hair color. So with all the Japanese fiber hair extensions, you can cut them to your desired length. If you want to heat style them, they're not exactly made for heat styling, but you can heat style with anything that's below 107 degrees Celsius. And if you want to dye them, you probably will want to try the real human hair extensions instead of the Japanese fiber ones. But they do offer a good range of hair colors, so you can check out their website to see if they have hair extensions in your hair color. For me, I do like getting the curly versions because I just like my hair curly when it's long, but their straight versions actually do blend a lot better, especially with my very straight hair. So overall, I really do like their hair extensions. They're one of the better hair extensions that I've tried myself. The most important thing is just that they're so easy to put on and they blend in well. They're also really lightweight, so it's not a huge burden on your scalp. Thank you, Kammi Hair, for sending me their hair products, and I hope if you try them out, you also enjoy them as much as I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one, and happy styling!